right, good morning. So today what we're going to do, we're going to work on our informational text presentations. We're going to have a few children come up here and share what they have learned from reading about the different things they have studied. But first what we're going to do is review our listening and speaking standards. We have our informational text presentations. We need our 2 reporters to go and record. And when you're recording, remember, we're going to go back and kind of reflect. Look at it, get a little bit of feedback from your friends on how you were when you were standing up here and speaking. Were you standing up straight and tall? Were you projecting your voice? How were you as an audience? So we're going to take a look at that video from our 2 reporters, Semi and Madison. Go ahead. And after we do that, later we'll go back and reflect. And then we'll have a reflection on presentations all together. So what I want you to do now is take about 30 seconds to look at the speaking and listening standards, and then you're going to tell me what they mean to you. But first I want you to look and talk to your neighbor about the listening and speaking standards. Go. All right. Stop. Turn, give me 5. Who can tell me what it means to them? Tell me which standard you're looking at, and then tell me what it means to you. Giovanni.
The last one means that I can...
What does the last one say, Giovanni?
It means that I can ask questions to help me understand the topic.
Okay, what does that mean? You read it for me. Can you explain to me what that means to you?
So like you're reading a story and you understand the title and everything that's in it. Like, so it's talking about birds. You understand the top, like understand birds because it's talking about it.
Okay, good. Someone else. Someone else. Choose a standard and tell me what it means to you.
I can create audio recordings and visual displays for presentations, like we're doing right now. We're giving out presentations. We have to project our voice and stand straight and make sure we're looking at our audience and make sure the audience are looking at the speaker.
Right. And when it says that you can create audio recordings or visual displays, right? You have your display. Those are visual displays, things that you can see, Donato. Someone else, one more. Choose one, Melanie, and tell me what it means to you.
I chose number 1, which is I can ask and or answer questions of the speaker to clarify and deepen my understanding. And that means to me that I can, like, if I'm the speaker and one of the person in my audience asks a question, they're trying to clarify, and I need to deepen my understanding.
Okay, yeah. You're going to either ask a question if you do not understand something, or you're going to, as a presenter, answer the questions that are being asked of you. And so we're going to see that you do that, and it's going to show that you understand or to deepen to get a more better understanding. So first up, we have our first presentation. Give a round of applause to Rihanna. Now, Rihanna, before you begin, remember, when Rihanna is up here presenting, she may be nervous, so we need to show her support. Show me how we show support. Very good. We need to track the speaker. So if Rihanna walks over here, your eyes should walk and follow her. Also, if you have a question, we wait until when?
The end.
Wait until the end. And remember to be good listeners, because you don't want to ask the same thing someone else already asked. You can add on to it, but you may say, as Caleb said, I agree. I also want to ask this, or I agree with Caleb. However, I was wondering. So let's pay very close attention and give all respect to Rihanna.
My name is Rihanna, and I'm going to be sharing some facts with you about sea turtles. Sea turtles are reptiles that live under the sea. Some sea turtles spend most of their life underwater, and some of them spend most of their life on land. I learned from texts that I read about sea turtles that there are 8 kinds of sea turtles. There is a green sea turtle, a leatherback sea turtle, an eastern box sea turtle, an olive ridley sea turtle, a flathead sea turtle, a chopperhead sea turtle. box sea turtle is our state's reptile, and that one spends most of its life on land. It only goes in the water unless it's trying to find food. Sea turtles eat jellyfish, and I learned, as the reader, I learned that sometimes they mistake grocery bags for jellyfish. So if you throw a grocery bag inside of the ocean, there is a 90% chance that a sea turtle can choke on it and die. On my keywords, algae is a plant that grows on a mountain, that goes under the water, and sea turtles eat it. I learned that endangered means that in risk of dying out, so leatherback sea turtles are endangered species. Hatchlings are sea turtles that just come out of the egg. Reptile is a cold-blooded animal that lives in the sea like a sea turtle. Instinct means that sea turtles are born knowing how to live their life, so when they grow up, they already know how to catch food, where to sleep, and how to live their lives. A predator is an animal that eats other animals, so sea turtles' predators are Komodo dragons, crabs, scorpions, and hawks. Turtles, when they come out of the eggs, they start off the size of a ping pong ball, so they're very small. In my articles, I learned that when sea turtles need to be clean them, they eat all the dirty stuff off of their shells, and they can come in a variety of colors. Their eggs are covered in sand for protection from predators. Even though some predators, when they're walking on sand, they can sometimes, when they're walking over the eggs, they can sometimes feel it. So the eggs can still be eaten by predators. How it's eaten by, because when the sea turtles, when they're about to hatch, the eggs soften. So the predators, they put the egg in their mouth. They melt the egg shell in their mouth. They spit that part out and eat the animal inside. Turtle eggs are white, and they usually, when they come out, they know to go straight to the water, but they don't move as fast as when they grow up. So that's how they can still be eaten by predators. I will take any questions you have about my work.
How do sea turtles breathe? Like through their mouth?
No, sea turtles, they have very small nostrils on the top of their head. That's how they breathe, through their nostrils.
Just in case you can't see, put it up here for you.
You know how you said they can eat jellyfish?
Right?
And you know how jellyfish has stingers?
Yes.
Well, if they put the jellyfish in their mouth, wouldn't it sting the mouth?
No, it's because when you put the jellyfish in their mouth, I've learned from books is that their saliva, it makes their stingers stop stinging, so that way they don't get stung while they're eating the jellyfish.
One more question?
How many sea turtles are in the world?
Well, I have to research that in my hyperlinks, but I have learned from books that a sea turtle is born every 3 minutes.
Right, nice job. Give her a round of applause. Our next presenter, we have, and you've done a great job so far of listening. Remember to save our questions for the end. Show support, track the speaker. Destiny, please give Destiny a round of applause. Okay, well, while Destiny gets her index cards, who else did we have? Enaya. Give Enaya a round of applause.